name being discussed for the post of Lok Sabha Speaker. This is our sweet compulsion. The name of T. Purandeswari, who is the BJP president of Andhra Pradesh, is being discussed for the post of Lok Sabha Speaker. T. Purandeswari may be the president of BJP, but the family is that of Chandrababu Naidu. She is the sister of Chandrababu Naidu's wife. If the Bharatiya Janata Party puts forward Purandeswari name, then Chandrababu Naidu will not be able to oppose it, and if Naidu names Purandeswari, then the BJP will not be able to refute. Giorgia Meloni accused French President Emmanuel Macron. Giorgia Meloni has accused French President Emmanuel Macron of waiting to gain political advantage at the G7 summit before the national election in France. The right-wing party has defeated Macron's party in the European Union election. Giorgia Meloni is also a right-wing leader. I think it is very wrong to use a valuable platform like G7 for propaganda in such a difficult time. BJP return to Maharashtra Assembly is certain. Devendra Fadnavis said that BJP will make a comeback in the Maharashtra Assembly election. He said the opposition won more seats by relying on a particular community. Even in Mumbai, NDA won 2 lakh more votes than MVA. Marathi, Manus and North Indians have completely rejected them. They won Lok Sabha seats because of one community. Congress called Modi inflation man. Congress has attacked the government on its Twitter account and tried to mention how the people of country are upset with the formation of Modi government. The youth is quite upset, but once again there is Modi government and there is no job for the youth. Congress has tweeted, inflation man's Modi have hack. Well, wholesale inflation rate has broken the records of 15 months. From vegetables, food items with inflation has been recorded. Inflation of food articles 9.82%, inflation of pulses 21.95%, inflation of vegetable 32.42%, inflation of onions 58.05%, inflation of potatoes 64.5%. India Alliance gave advice. Congress leader Ashok Gehlot, while posting on X, advised BJP that if nothing wrong is to be done, then as per the old tradition of NDA, the post of Lok Sabha Speaker should be given to the allies. At the same time, Aditya Thackeray also advised TDP and JDU without asking that if they want to save the party, then keep the post of Lok Sabha Speaker with themselves. Now it is the job of TDP and JDU to decide whether they will take advice from India Alliance or not. However, BJP will try its best to ensure that the post of Speaker is theirs. It is said that whoever has the Speaker forms the government. Reality of Odisha. Naveen Patnaik changed the picture. Naveen Patnaik has not in Odisha for the first time. BJP is forming the government till 2000. Odisha was the poorest state in India in the 2000 election. Naveen Patnaik and BJP together outset Congress from power and formed the government in the state today. Odisha is one of the fastest growing states in India. After 2000, Odisha never voted for the Congress party before 2000. Before 2000, about 50% of the population in Odisha was below the poverty line. Today it is about 15%. Naveen Patnaik did remarkable work. Now the BJP government has also started the all-around development of the state. PM Modi thanked Italy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted, had a very good meeting with Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni. I thanked her for inviting India to be a part of the G7 summit and for the excellent arrangement. We discussed way to further strengthen India-Italy relations in areas such as commerce, energy, defense, telecommunication. Our countries will work together in future areas such as biofuel, food processing and critical development. Manjhi message to Gayawasi. Event out, I have become a minister in the central government. As long as there is life in my body, my identity will remain as the servant of Gayaji. After becoming a minister, today I attend the felicitation ceremony organized by NDA workers in Bandegarh of Mohanpur block under Barachati of Gaya. Tejasvi Yadav sharp taunt on the central government. Once again, the power has come into the hands of the Modi government. Now Tejasvi has started attacking the central government. government on the issue of the country. He has started throwing bombs on the issue, but the sad thing is that the government of India could also have been formed if Nitish Kumar was with him. This power could not be achieved by just a few seats. In such a situation, Tejaswi has thrown a helpless sharp jibs at the government. Whether BJP is in the career or in the state paper leak is certain. NEET paper leak is a very serious matter. The criminal in custody is confession that the paper has been leaked. Candidates, parents, students, youth all are worried, but the whole system is suspicious. But the NDA government is so immersed in from head to toe that completely ignoring the credibility of examination in the country. Even after the evidence of paper leak has been made public, investigation, arrest and the conspiration confession to the crime, they are not ready to accept that there has been some rising in the NEET examination. All the evidence is in front, but the Union Education Minister is so ignorant that he is not ready to accept that something wrong has happened. The arrogant Modi government is sleeping in such a deep slumber that it does not code even if the dreams of lakh candidates are burnt. This meeting is beautiful, that whose luck some in Modi 3. Annamalai met Tamilisai Sundararajan. Tamilisai said that during Chandrababu Naidu's swearing-in ceremony, Home Minister Amit Shah had advised her to do political and constituency work intensively, and Annamalai praised her work as the former state BJP chief and thanked her for inspiring the party's growth. Victory of democracy. During the address at the outreach session of the G7 summit, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said last week many of you were busy with the European Parliament elections. Some friends will go through the excitement of election in the coming time. In India too, it was election time a few months ago. The entire electoral process has become fair and transparent due to the ubiquitous use of technology. It is my good fortune that the people of India have given me the opportunity to serve them for the third consecutive time. The blessing that the people of India have given in the form of this historic victory is a victory of democracy. It is a victory of the entire democracy world. जो जीता वही सिकंदर. BJP leader Shiny NC said on the statement of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge. Mallikarjun Kharge and Congress party are not ready to accept that the mandate has been given to PM Modi and Modi 3 is working at this speed. The aim of Congress is to make controversial comments, negative statements. Mallikarjun Kharge and Congress party should accept that the government of BJP and NDA has been established. India is together on global good. Prime Minister Narendra Modi tweeted, "It is always a pleasure to meet President of the United States Joe Biden. India and the United States still continue to work together for global good." Odisha 3-day festival. BJP MP Sambit Patra inaugurated the Ras Mahotsav at the Odisha Tourism Development Corporation. Bakul Panthani was in Khordha. Raj Mahotsav is a 3-day Odisha festival celebrating womanhood. Hakka Singh has submitted his resignation to the Bihar Assembly Speaker today during his tenure in the Bihar Assembly. And as Agriculture Minister, he has worked. Now he has been elected as a Member of Parliament from Buxar Lok Sabha. He has said that my responsibility has increased. How I have to work in the entire Buxar Lok Sabha along with the Ramgarh Assembly constituency.